Right now, the Bearcats in the driver's seat, but Bryant has played very well in this tournament, and it's going to be very interesting to see how things turn out here this morning. The pitcher of the year, and so far lights out of the tournament, Brianna Roberts. Emma Lawson, a 210-foot plus blast over the center field fence. Deep. That goes way back. Kiss it goodbye, Sarah Rendy. It's going way back, and it is out of here. How about that? A 3-run blast. And all of a sudden, the Bulldogs are right back in the hunt. And this is it. And on the line, Lindsay Walter has it. You can call it up here. The Bearcats have stopped the hearts of fans here. Another victory, and this gets them into the NCAA tournament